Most tire shop owners finish the day exhausted, look around the workshop and think, we never stopped. The phones kept ringing, cars kept arriving, tires kept getting fitted. But then the monthly numbers come in, and the profit just isn't there. If that sounds familiar, you're looking at one of the biggest mistakes in the tire industry. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why being busy doesn't always mean being profitable, where money quietly disappears, and a few simple changes that can make a real difference to your bottom line. Stay with me, because one small change could be worth thousands over the course of a year. Running a tire business isn't just about fitting more tires. It's about making every job count. Plenty of workshops stay fully booked all week, yet struggle to grow. Meanwhile, another shop down the road fits fewer tires but earns more profit. That difference isn't luck. It's how they manage their business. This is where most people mess up. They measure success by how busy the workshop feels instead of how profitable each hour actually is. Think about it. You discount tires to win a customer. A technician spends extra time on a low-margin job. The wrong stock gets ordered. An opportunity to sell wheel alignment or another service gets missed. None of those mistakes seem huge on their own, but together they slowly eat away at your profit every single day. Have you ever reached the end of the month and wondered where the money actually went? Let me know in the comments if you've experienced that. Here's something no one talks about. Every minute inside your workshop has a value. If a technician spends an extra 15 minutes looking for stock, waiting for equipment, or fixing an avoidable mistake, that's not just lost time. It's lost profit. Imagine that happens only 4 times a day. By the end of the week, you've lost hours that could have been spent serving more customers or completing higher value work. The solution isn't always working harder. Often it's working smarter. Don't skip this part, because this simple habit can completely change how you look at your business. Instead of asking, "Were we busy today?" ask better questions. Which jobs made the best profit? Where did we lose the most time? Which customers bought additional services? What slowed the team down today? What can we improve tomorrow? Successful business owners ask questions that lead to better decisions, and better decisions lead to stronger profits. Now let's talk about small improvements, because this is where real growth happens. Saving just 10 minutes on every job might not sound exciting, but over hundreds of jobs it creates extra capacity. Selling just one additional wheel alignment every day adds up far more than most people expect. Getting one extra Google review each week builds trust with future customers. Creating just one loyal repeat customer every month increases long-term revenue without spending more on advertising. Small improvements don't feel dramatic today, but repeated consistently, they transform a business. So here's a question for you. If you could improve just one thing in your workshop tomorrow, what would it be? Better organization? Faster processes? Higher margins? Or selling more additional services? Share your answer below. The most successful tire shop owners don't celebrate being busy. They celebrate healthy margins, efficient systems, loyal customers, motivated teams, and consistent profits. That's what creates a business that can grow year after year. So remember this. If you found these ideas useful, give this episode a like, subscribe for more practical tire business advice, and share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Until next time, keep improving, keep measuring what matters, and build a business that's not just busy, but truly profitable. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom Wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.